ಹಲೋ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. So what are we going to do today? You know about these classes. This is exclusive summer vacation classes for the foundational learning. So parents, please help children for the first class. Make them comfortable, get them notebook. Children, makla, please take a notebook, take a pen, color pencils, you can use it, and make sure that you are using one single book for this entire series of lessons, whatever we are going to do from today. So which is very, very important. So today is April 6th, 2026. We are going to start this lesson. I already told you in my previous video to go through the lessons of a foundational lessons where we will be learning the alphabets Vatakshara. If you have not gone through those lessons, I leave the link here. Please go through those lessons, which is very, very important. For first class, you can just come along with me. But after today's class, if you have not gone through those alphabets, please go through the alphabets, which is very, very important. Okay, na? So let's start with the today's class. Today is a lesson 1. We are doing on April 6th, 2026. So how we are going to learn? We are taking a jumbled letters. We are taking a few letters out of how many letters we have? Eshtu letters ide kannadadalli? We have, yes, we have 49 letters, alva? So out of 49 letters, I will pick some random letters, like 5 letters tagoltini, 6 letters or 7 letters. I'll take up the random letters. From those random letters, ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ದ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅ 2 letter ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, 3 letter ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್, 4 letter ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಒತ್ತಕ್ಷರ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. Vatakshara words. What are Vatakshara words? Where you have a parent letter and the baby letter. I hope you have gone through the lesson. If not, please go through the lesson. Vatakshara kalibeku, okay na? We will learn the Vatakshara words. Then we will come to the sentences. So what are the sentence? Combination of a 2 to 3 words together. We will make it as a sentence. Okay, so this is what we will be learning. Very basic, very simple. So it is not only for children, even adults, you can also learn along with your children. Parents, you can also try. You can also learn Kannada easily along with your children. So let's start with the today's lesson. Lesson 1. Which are the letters that we are going to take today? So yav letters tagota idivi. The first letter, please tell me the letter. After I write the letter, say the letter. Which is that letter? Ra, Ga, Sa, Da, A. Very good. So now today, first class ali, we are selecting only 5 letters. Only 5 letters. Okay, now let's come to the Vatakshara for these letters. I hope you remember the Vatakshara for these letters. If not, try to recall and we will learn together for today's lesson. Okay? What is the Vatakshara? The baby letter for Ra. Baby letter for Ra is Rage Ravattu. Like a art. Like a art. Simple one. Gage Gavattu. There is no tale. So this is what we call as a tale, head in Kannada. I hope you remember. Yes. Sage savattu. No tale. Dage davattu. And for sir, when you write a baby letter, do not write like this. So this is a wrong. Very bad. Only this one. Okay. Do we have Vatakshara for a? No. So there are no Vatakshara for the vowels. Remember, a to aha. There is no Vatakshara. Vatakshara illa. Vatakshara is only from ka in the la. Ashte. Okay. So based on these things, we will try to frame the words first. Simple words. 2 letter words we will start with. My first word, I'll combine ra with the sa. Ra, sa, rasa. Rasa andre juice. Now I'll make a what do you say? The other way round. I'll put sa first. Sa, ra. Sara is a neck piece. Sara andre neck piece. Gara, gara. Gara andre ghost. Gara andre ghost. I hope you can see the letters on the board. Dara, dara means cost of the object. Idara dara eshtu. So don't worry about the sentence now. So dara is the not commonly colloquial word which is used in a textbook basically. So dara andre cost. Okay. Next, ara. Ara is a file. So you cut your nail, then you file your nail, Allah. So to make it smooth. So that is called ara. Okay, to file something, it is ara. Okay, so now how many words we have? We have rasa, sara, gara, dara, ara. I have framed the words only using these 5 letters, makla. Remember, I have framed only using these 5 letters. Okay, na? I hope you have written all these words. Pause the video, make a note of all these words in your notebook. If you want the meaning, recall the meaning and try to write it with the English meaning as well. Okay, na? But don't write in English like this. Ra, sa, ra. Never. I don't want you to write this, because what happens, Makla, when you write like this, you will forget. There are chances of forgetting the Kannada letter because you will be remembering only in English. So don't write like this in your book when you are practicing. We don't want to learn like this. We don't learn language quickly like this. Okay? We don't want this. We will write only in Kannada. Okay? Now let's take a little bigger words. We'll go with the 3-letter words. Okay? Now I'll erase this one now. Remember, always when you frame the word, vowel a in the aha, e, these are the letters, to, aha, and aha I'll exclude, okay? To, ow, I'll take it. In the ow, I'll take it. This should come in the beginning of the word. This letter doesn't come in the middle or at the end of the word. It will never ever come. Okay, now you cannot have a word like this. You cannot have a word like this. It will never come at the end, never come in the middle. It will always come in the beginning. Always come in the beginning. In the aha, always in the beginning of the word. Never ever it will come in the between or at the end. Remember this. Very important. Vowels always come in the beginning. Okay. So now let's come to the 3-letter words. Okay. So now arasa, which means a king. Write it down in your book. Spell and write it down. Arasa and a king. We'll go with the next one. Agasa. Agasa is the one who washes the cloth. Dhobi. That is agasa. Agasa. We'll go with the next one. Sarasa. Sarasa is to have a very lively connection, a romantic connection. So that is a sarasa. Sarasa. Next is daraga. Daraga andre mosque. Daraga. You can pause the video in between, make a note, then continue. Don't worry, okay? We'll go with the next one. This is a very famous festival in Karnataka. Yes, you're right. Dasara. Dasara is a very famous festival. Dasara. Okay? Then we'll go with the last one more word. Sadara. Don't worry about the meaning for these 2 words. We'll just have a note about these 2 words. Okay? Don't worry about the meaning for these 2. You can remember the meaning for these 4 words. Okay? Okay, na? We have a 3-letter words ivaga. Okay, I hope you have written. Pause Madi. Make a note of all these words. Then we'll go for the one more 4-letter words in the next one. So 4-letter words ali. First word is, I'll say the word, try to write it down. Garagasa. Garagasa is an axe. Garagasa andre axe. Sorry for the background noise. It's a summer holiday alva. Everyone are happily playing here. Okay. Garagasa. I'll go with the one more word. I'll say it. Write it down. Ra. Gara. Garagara. Garagara. So next all words is a sounding words. So when you cut something, it will make a sound. So that is garagara. So garagara sound barutte. So that is garagara. Then sarasara. When something moves on a leaves, like a snake is crawling on the leaves, it will make a sound alla. That is sarasara. That is sarasara. The next word is daga daga. Daga daga. When the fire is burning, very high flame, that is a daga daga. It's burning. Daga daga. Daga daga anta uritide. So the flame, too much of a flame is daga daga. So these are the big letter words that we can frame using these 5 letters. Which are the 5 letters? Ra, ga, sa, da, a. Okay na? I hope it's clear now. Very good. So now next one is our Vattakshara word. So how many Vattakshara words we can make from these words? Let's see. Okay na? We can make, I'll say the word ga, gage gavattu, gage gavattu, agga, agga, agga. Agga andre very less price, very less price. Agga. It's not a ha. It's not a ha. If you say ha, it will become a rope. Hagga is a rope. So we are not writing hagga. It's agga. Agga. So we can make only one Vattakshara word here. So make a note of this. Okay. Next, let's come to the sentence. How many sentences we can do? Remember the words we have learned? We will use the same words to make a sentences. Okay. So we'll go with sa, ra, da, ra. What is dara? Dara is a cost. Alva? What is sara? It's a necklace or a neck piece. So necklace cost. So how do you say cost of necklace or necklace cost? Sarada. What is this the? We will learn this the at the later, which is called as a vibhakti pratyaya. So to makla, don't worry about this. This is just like a apostrophe yes. This is just like a apostrophe yes. Neck piece cost. Necklace cost. Okay, how do you write necklace? Cost. Okay, na? It's a apostrophe yes. Sarada dara. Aita? We'll go for the next one. The next word is Daragada mosques. Daragada. Again apostrophe yes idu, okay? Gara. Gara andre you know it's a ghost. Ghost of a mosque. Daragada gara. Okay na? We'll go with the next one. Arasa. What is arasa? King. Very good. Arasara. Again apostrophe yes. Kings. Dasara. Dasara is a festival. Arasara. Dasara. Clear? Very good. We'll go with the next one. Garagasa. What is Garagasa? Axe. Correct. Very good. Garagasa the axe. Garagara, the sound of the axe. Garagasa the garagara. Clear? Very good. So what and all we learned now? We learned 2-letter words. Rasa, sara, dara, gara. I'll write it down. Okay. So we learned the 2 words, 2-letter words. Rasa, sara, dara, ara, gara. We learned these words. Then we learned the 3-letter words. Arasa, agasa, dasara, daraga, and dasara. We also learned 2 other words. Let's not worry about the meaning. Sarasa and sadara. Okay na? Very good. Then we learned the Ottakshara word. Agage gavattu agga. Okay, na? Next we learned the sentences. What are the sentence? Sarada, dara, daragada, gara. Then we learned arasara, dasara. Then we learned last one gara, gasada, gara, gara. So finally make a note like this. 2-letter word or basic word you can write. Basic word, long word. Okay. Then this is Ottakshara word. Ottakshara word. Then this is our sentence. So you can make a 4 columns. Then you can write it down like this. Okay, na? So we have a basic word, long word, Ottakshara word, and the sentence. So how many letters we learned today? We learned ra, ga, sa, da, a. Also the Ottakshara for ra, ga, sa, da. No Ottakshara for the vowels. Okay, so this is today's lesson. I want you to make a note of all these things in your book. Keep one notebook. It should be useful for our entire learning series for April and May. So don't keep changing your notebook. You can use a different pencil, color pencil for basic word, long word, Ottakshara word, and the sentence, which will be easy. You can use a color pencil for Ottakshara as well, whichever is comfortable for you to remember. Okay, parents, please help children for 1 to 2 class. They'll get comfortable. If you have any doubt, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Comment ಮಾಡಿ. So any doubt, please comment ಮಾಡಿ. Also do check the description box for the link for any book that you have to purchase or any other lessons of any grade. Everything is mentioned in the description box. And we will all meet in tomorrow class. We will learn few more letters. Don't forget these letters for tomorrow class. We'll be using this letter as well in tomorrow class. Okay na? So see you in the tomorrow class makla. Doubt idre comment maadi. Okay na? So thank you so much. Don't forget to check the link in the description box. You can also purchase the books and watch the videos. There are mini stories, there are essay writing, letter writing, there are so many things, grammar, everything are there. So please do check the playlist, description box. See you tomorrow. Thank you so much. Namaskara.